Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn how to write a fraction in Microsoft Word on your mobile phone, you are in the right place. So let's get in. What you want to do here is make sure you have a document open, and at the bottom of your screen you'll have your keyboard, and just above that you will have a little arrow on the right hand side. Now we're going to tap this and you will be faced with a few options. Now on the left hand side there is a home button, and you're going to tap on that. Now from here you will tap on insert, and we will scroll all the way down and you will find equation. Now what will happen is it'll create an equation box right over here, and what we're going to do is tap on the inside of this box, and now we can start writing what we want to write as a fraction. Now we all know that the divide symbol is the line between the two numbers in a fraction. So if you type your first number, which will be your top number, you can now use that forward slash, which is your divide symbol, and then we can put the next number, which will be the number we want on the bottom of our fraction, and you're going to tap on space, and there you go. You've now created a fraction. Now if you type space again and you type plus and space, we can do that again. So we can go 3/7 space that, and now you've created a fraction. Now if you space again and you go into your second page of symbols, you can now create a full equation. If this was a helpful and fun video, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.